In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks in PowerPoint 2010, whether you're presenting in a classroom, corporate setting, or just sharing slides for a personal project. Adding hyperlinks can drastically improve the interactivity and the flow of your presentation. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through each step to seamlessly integrate hyperlinks into your slides. First things first, let's open up your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you've got everything ready to go and laid out just how you want it. Once you have the presentation open, it's time to select the text, image, or shape on your slide that you'd like to convert into a hyperlink. This is going to be the anchor of your link, the part that your audience will click on. It's a good idea to choose something noticeable or relevant to the content you are linking to for added context. Once you've highlighted your chosen item, go ahead and right-click on it. This action will bring up a menu full of options. Among these choices, look for the one that says Hyperlink and click on it. This will open up the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, the central hub where you'll customize your link. Now you'll see the Link To panel on the left side of the dialog box, presenting you with a few options on where you want your hyperlink to direct. If you're looking to link directly to an external website, you're going to want to select the option called Existing File or Web Page. Once you do that, head down to the address box located at the bottom of this dialog box. Here you can carefully type in the URL or simply paste it if you've copied it from somewhere else. Double check that the address is correct to ensure a smooth connection when clicked. Alternatively, if you'd like to link internally within your presentation, such as jumping to a different slide, you should select Place in this document from the panel. You will be presented with a list of the slides within your presentation. Simply click on the name of the slide you want your hyperlink to navigate to. It's a handy trick for creating a nonlinear presentation or for emphasizing particular information by hopping to other points in your deck. Once you have set your desired link destination, it's time to finalize it by clicking OK. And there you have it. Your selected text, image, or shape is now hyperlinked and ready to enhance your presentation. Taking a moment to preview your slide to ensure everything is working correctly can be worth the effort, so don't skip that final check. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating engaging and dynamic presentations. Keep exploring these options, and soon you'll be mastering PowerPoint like a pro.